Thanks for tuning in to another Project Pan update for 2021. Let me just start by saying I'm literally filming like 6 videos today, like a lot of videos, like 6 videos or something. So my voice is like already starting to kind of fade, but it is what it is. Just bear with me on that, okay? But you guys know how this works. We're doing an update. I'm showing you guys how much progress I've made since the last time. So it's been about 2 months and I'm a little embarrassed by the amount of progress I haven't made, but I do have pan updates. Like I have hit pan on some things, really exciting, but there are some things that I've made a very small amount of progress on because I just have not been wearing makeup for like an entire month. I don't think I wore any makeup. It was a little rough because we went back into lockdown here in Italy, so I kind of just like lost all hope to wear any makeup for a while there. But we're coming back. We're coming back. I'm literally leaving Italy in a few days to move back to the States, so I'm gonna be using my products a lot more now that I'm like going to be out and about. But yeah, that's just an overall update. But let me show you guys my progress on each item. So let's start with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is one that I made like barely any progress on. So here is where I started. There is my last update in February, and then here we are. Oh my gosh, I barely made any progress, you guys. You can just see how much I used makeup from January and February to this time around. Like, wow, it's been rough. I'm not gonna lie, I am like already kind of getting tired of this primer. I have other primers in my collection that I really want to use, so I have also been letting myself use those, which is another reason why I haven't made as much progress. I don't want to hate pan. That's like definitely a big goal of mine, is to not hate pan, and I don't think I'm there with this one. I do feel like this is one I want to use up all the way. I think that it's gonna last me the whole year, but I think I can do it while still using other primers as well. I just don't want to hate pan, so like I'm allowing myself to use my other products as I'm using this one. But yeah, I didn't make much progress on that one. Okay, my Fenty Pro Hydrating Foundation. Oh my god, you know what? I don't know if I used this like at all. Maybe a couple times. Okay, there's a little bit of progress. I have been using like super light coverage foundations, so this one's kind of been on the back burner a little bit as well, but I did make a tiny bit of progress. Actually, I made almost the same amount as I did during January and February. So we have beginning of the year, that was February, and then here we are in April. I guess 1, 2, and 3 doesn't make as much sense. I probably should put like the month. I guess I did do the update in February. You know what, I'm gonna write the little, I'm gonna write the J for January, F for February, and then A for April. Hopefully I don't forget that that's what that means. I still love this foundation. No complaints or anything. Still using it. Okay, now this product I have to complain about, okay? The Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Okay, the formula on this is fantastic, but I'm so tired of this concealer. I just don't want to use it anymore. Okay, and we are definitely at the point of hate panning this. Okay? Okay. I hate the color. It just leans too yellow for me. Now that we're getting into the summertime, it's definitely more wearable for me. This is way past the expiration date, and I think that this is hit the time where I need to just declutter it and call it a day. I'm not really like sure what concealer I would want to put in place of this one, but I am really loving the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer right now. I'm not really sure why, it's like random, but I have just been reaching for this a lot because it's kind of like a light to medium coverage, and I just like it. So I'll probably be using this. I don't think I'm going to like mark the progress on it because I don't know what I want to put in right now. And I have a bunch of other products anyways, and my concealer collection isn't like totally out of control. So I don't think I'm really gonna solidly put something in at the moment. And I hope you don't mind. Ooh, we have an empty. So I finished up the Hourglass Translucent Veil Setting Powder, or whatever it's called. Veil Translucent Setting Powder. So I totally used this up. It was really easy to take the sifter out, so I was able to get every single little bit of product out of here. This is the like mini size, so it went pretty quickly, and here's where I was. I was like halfway when we started, and then I had a little bit here, and then I really ran through it pretty quickly once I get closer to the bottom here. You guys have seen my past project pans. You know that I'm not a big fan of colored translucent setting powders, especially if they lean more of like a yellowish tone, because I'm just so fair that white translucent setting powders work the best on me, because the tinted ones, the yellowish ones, even if it says translucent and it has some kind of tint to it, they show up on me. They still, you see that color, and then it makes my makeup look off because my under eye isn't as like brightening as like I wanted it to be compared to my face, you know? So I'm really glad I'm done with this. It was a good setting powder. It's just because of my skin tone, I didn't like that it had that color to it. So I'm glad to be done with it. I'm going to roll in my Ciate Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. This is gonna be great for the summer. It is that like white color that I was talking about. It has a coconut scent. I love coconut, especially in the summer. I really like this powder. I tend to reach for it a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this in. I got this in a subscription box a while back, and ever since I got it, I really like it. I reach for it all of the time. Everything underneath the line is how much is left. So actually there's really not too much left in here. This is probably gonna go pretty quickly. Awesome, I'm gonna use up 2 powders. Oh my God, that's awesome. I really feel like I'll definitely be able to use that by the end of the year. Okay, Marc Jacobs Fantastic Bronzer. Oh my God, you guys, I can't even tell you how infuriated this bronzer makes me. I mean, it's like good and bad, okay? I love this bronzer so much. It's super, super good. I love this bronzer. And it's 100% worth the price because you get so much product in here, you guys. It's so hard to hit pan on this. I've been working so hard on it. Like, I go in and I really bronze the face like super extra because I want to hit pan on this so bad. It's gonna be so satisfying, that moment we hit the pan and it just keeps growing. I can't wait for that moment. This is the shade Fantastic, the lighter one, and it's like totally worth the price. You get so much product in here. It is 25 grams or 0.8 ounces, whereas like a regular sized bronzer, for example, like this Fenty one, is 6 grams and 0.2 ounces. So 25 grams versus 6 grams. Oh my God, there's so much product in here. It's crazy how much is in here, but it's like so worth the price. I love how big it is, and I just like it. But we haven't hit pan yet. We haven't hit pan yet. I can't wait. Like, I'm so excited for that one. On the flip side, here's something we have hit pan on. My Fenty Cream Bronzer, and we have like really gotten a pan going in there. Wait, did I hit pan on this the last time? Or is this the first time you guys are seeing the pan? Oh my gosh, I definitely hit pan on the last one. So basically, I just have a bigger pan now, so let me show you guys. So here is my pan. It's definitely growing. This is gonna be used up by the end of the year for sure. I have no doubts about it. There's a little comparison to the last time. Yeah, I mean, I really like this cream bronzer. Nothing wrong with it, although I did just get a new cream bronzer that I'm like, it's so good, and I'm gonna really try to keep my mind on this one, but that new one is like, hey baby, come and play with me. But it's going good. It's going good. Okay, the Fenty Cream Blush in Fuego Flush. Have I hit pan on this? I can't remember. No, I still haven't. If I'm honest, you guys, I don't know if I used this like at all since the last time. You can still kind of see that dip in there where it's close to hitting pan, but I'm really not liking this right now. I don't like the little like glitters in here, and it's just not quite as blendable as some of my other cream blushes that I have now. I've been branching out a lot into other cream blushes, and I'm finding that this one is like definitely my least favorite of them, and I'm finding it very difficult to like use it because I just really like those other ones. It's definitely like a vibe for a specific look, especially during the summer, so maybe I'll dip into it. I don't know. I've had a hard time this round just because I haven't been wearing so much makeup, so it could just also be that. Okay, exciting update. on the eyeshadow palette. Super exciting. I have hit pan on one of the shades. We have hit a really nice pan in this shade Tempera. Is it Tempera? Yeah, Tempera. I use this a lot on my brow bone and to like blend things out on my inner corner, and we finally hit pan. You guys could probably see I have a lot of really good dips going. We're getting quite close to hitting pan on some of the other ones as well, so I'm really confident that I'll be able to hit my goal of hitting 5 pans in this palette. The eyeshadow palette is going really well, and I'm happy I put it in. I'm starting to like kind of love it again. I think on my first update I was already like, I don't know if I really like want this in here for a whole year, but I think because I hit pan, it's been really encouraging, and I'm excited for the progress on that. I don't think I used the Ace Beauté Glimmer shadow. Oh my god, the lid just went across the room. I don't think I used this since last time. There is pan in there, you know, I showed you guys last time, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. I think I said last time I was just gonna leave it in for one more time, but I think I'm ready to take this out. I hit pan, I feel like I accomplished something, and yeah, I'm ready to move on from that one. Ooh, I don't think I made a lot of progress on this. The Becca lipstick and Ultimate Lipstick in Dune. How funny. Oh wait, I'm looking at my last video. I'm just realizing I forgot to put one of the products in the description box, because we also have the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. I put 2 Becca products into my project pan at the beginning of the year, and I had no idea that they were gonna go out of business, and now I'm like glad that I put them in, because I think they're my only 2 Becca products. So that's very like weird that I put my Becca products in and now they're going out of business. Anyways, we hit pan. I definitely got a pan going in there, and yet I have concentrated a lot in that one spot. I use this on my inner corner a lot, and I concentrated in that one spot to hit pan because I just want to see it grow, okay? That's all I want. I just want a little baby pan to grow really big and large and just be beautiful and empty. So I'm excited about this progress. And I think now that I hit pan again, it's like so encouraging to keep using them so that you guys can just see the like growth. I love that. It's like my favorite part is just to watch it like go from little to like big. Yes. So we also have the Becca Ultimate Lipstick in Dune. I don't think I used this. I don't think I used this at all since the last time. Let's check the progress. I don't think it moves at all. So I don't think I used this lipstick at all. It's just with the mask and like with us being locked down here, I like just haven't been wearing lipstick, so that's a fail this time around. The Sephora black liner made a shit ton of progress because it's getting so old that a big part of it cracked and fell out, so then I had to sharpen this like so much. So it's like a baby now. It's so tiny. Oh my gosh. It's fine though, because this is old and that's why I put it in the project pan. I like this liner a lot, but I'm glad that we are using it up. Do you see that? You see like how far down it's gone? Like a lot. I don't really think I have like a goal necessarily for that liner. I just wanted to use it more, really. And then my last lip product is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy, and I think I only used this once or twice since the last time, so there's really no progress on this one either. At least it doesn't look like it. I didn't put it in any hot water or anything, but because I just know I didn't really use it, so I'm honestly not gonna mark it. I'm gonna put the little like January, February on here though. That way I knew. And we didn't make any progress. Actually, I'm gonna put an A next to the F so I know that in April, right now, I made no progress. So there we go. Yeah, last thing is the Hourglass Veils translucent. The Veils Soft Focus Setting Spray. It feels like it's about halfway. I can't really show you guys. I know I have lines. It's a whole thing. If you guys have seen my other, just go watch my last one, you know, and I'll tell you why the lines are there. But I can't really show you guys how much is in here. I really tried. Like someone said to like put it in front of like a light or your phone flashlight, and it just, you can't see through this bottle. It's like metal, but it feels like it's like halfway. I have been using it and I do feel confident I'm still gonna be able to use it by the end of the year, and I will, because this was so expensive for no reason. It's just okay. Okay, you guys, that is all of my project pan updates. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're making good progress. I love doing these videos. It just feels so good when I use all my makeup up and I can share it with you guys. Yeah, okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching it to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next update video. Bye.